Welcome, aspiring water entrepreneurs. Africa's growing population and rising incomes fuel a surge in bottled water demand. Let's explore how to tap into this opportunity and build a thriving mineral water business. Our boss, Mr. Jami, has more experience building water bottle factory. If you need help installing this kind of factory, contact him from the WhatsApp number on this video description. Know your customers. Who are you serving? Age, income, water consumption habits, bottle size preferences. Research paints a picture of your ideal customer. Competitor checkup. Analyze existing brands, their pricing, distribution channels, and marketing strategies. Identify potential gaps in the market. Is there a demand for specific water types, sparkling, flavored? Regulatory deep dive. Regulations for bottled water production vary by country. Get acquainted with permit requirements and water quality standards. The roadmap to success. A business plan guides your journey. It helps secure funding and keeps you focused. Plan breakdown. Company identity. Define your mission, vision, and values. What sets you apart? Market analysis. Share your market research findings and competitor analysis. Marketing strategy. This section outlines how you'll reach your target market. The dream team. Introduce your team members and their skill sets. Production plan. Detail your water source, filtration process, and bottling procedures. Financial projections. Forecast revenue, expenses, and profitability for informed decision-making. Finding the source. Explore options for clean water, municipal supply, springs, or wells. Each comes with its own considerations. Quality. First, water quality testing is crucial. Ensure compliance with regulations and maintain a consistent, healthy product. The art of filtration. Discover different filtration methods. Reverse osmosis, microfiltration, ultraviolet disinfection. Each tackles different impurities. In the world of bottled mineral water, selecting the appropriate filling line machinery is crucial. This session dives deep into automatic and semi-automatic machines, empowering you to make an informed decision for your business. Are you aiming for high-volume production or starting small? This significantly impacts your choice between automatic and semi-automatic lines. Budget. Automatic lines offer higher efficiency, but come with a steeper price tag. Consider your initial investment capabilities. Space constraints. Automatic lines often have a larger footprint. Measure your available production space to ensure proper machine fit. Labor availability. Semi-automatic lines require more manual operation. Assess your available workforce. Automatic lines excel in large-scale production environments. They handle most processes with minimal manual intervene pre-treatment system, efficiently removes impurities from raw water. Filling machine accurately fills bottles with minimal product loss. Capping machine automatically secures caps on bottles for a tamper-proof seal. Labeling machine applies labels with branding and essential information. Conveyor system seamlessly transports bottles throughout the production process. Increased efficiency. Faster production leads to higher output. Reduced labor costs. Fewer manual tasks translate to lower labor needs. Improved consistency. Automation minimizes human error for consistent product quality. Ideal for startups. Semi-automatic lines offer a cost-effective entry point for smaller businesses. Human-machine collaboration. Operators play a more significant role in the filling process. Components of a semi-automatic line, similar to automatic lines, often include pre-treatment systems, filling machines, capping machines, and labeling machines. However, some functions may be manual, e.g., placing bottles on the filling line. Benefits. Lower initial investment, a more budget-friendly option compared to fully automatic lines. Scalability. Gradually automate processes as your business grows. Flexibility. Easier to adjust production for smaller batches or different bottle sizes. Automatic versus semi-automatic bottling lines. automation, or hands-on. Understanding machine options is key. Automatic lines. High efficiency, minimal human interaction, ideal for large production volumes. Semi-automatic lines. Lower initial investment, require more manual operation, suitable for smaller businesses. The bottling breakdown. Let's explore the key components of a bottling line. Pre-treatment system. Prepares raw water for further purification. Filling machine. Accurately doses water into bottles hygienically. Capping machine. Secures caps onto bottles for a leak-proof seal. Labeling machine. Applies labels with branding and essential information. Finding the right fit. Explore reputable automatic and semi-automatic bottling line manufacturers, suppliers in Africa. Machine reputation. Research reputable automatic and semi-automatic bottling line manufacturers, suppliers with a presence in Africa. After-sales support. Ensure the chosen supplier offers reliable after-sales support and readily available spare parts. Training. Automatic lines may require operator training. Factor in training costs when making your decision. Regular maintenance. Schedule regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance and prevent costly downtime. Sanitation. Maintain a rigorous sanitation protocol to ensure hygienic production and a high-quality product. Record keeping. Document maintenance procedures and adhere to a cleaning schedule. Automation or hands-on. Understanding machine options is key. Automatic lines. High efficiency, minimal human interaction, ideal for large production volumes. Semi-automatic lines. Lower initial investment, require more manual operation, suitable for smaller businesses. The bottling breakdown. Let's explore the key components of a bottling line. Pre-treatment system. Prepares raw water for further purification. Filling machine. Accurately doses water into bottles hygienically. Capping machine. Secures caps onto bottles for a leak-proof seal. Labeling machine. Applies labels with branding and essential information. Finding the right fit. Explore reputable automatic and semi-automatic bottling line manufacturers and suppliers in Africa. Cost considerations. Compare costs of automatic and semi-automatic lines. Focus on factors like production volume, budget, and available space. Explore bottle types. PET, plastic, or glass. Each has its pros and cons. Consider bottle size, design, and labeling to attract your target market. Consider incorporating local elements or eco-friendly options where possible. Develop standard operating procedures, SOPs, for all production processes. Quality control. Ensure consistent quality throughout production. Implement quality checks at each step. Day-to-day operations. Briefly outline the daily routine: water treatment, bottling, labeling, storage, and distribution. Develop a targeted marketing strategy to reach your ideal customers. Explore various avenues: social media power, build brand awareness, and engage with customers. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram can be great tools. Local voices. Utilize radio, television, or billboards for wider reach in your target region. Partnerships. Collaborate with local restaurants, cafes, hotels, or supermarkets for distribution. Community matters. Sponsor local events or participate in farmers markets for brand visibility and goodwill. Building your brand. Develop a strong brand identity with a unique logo, consistent messaging, and a focus on water quality and taste. Pricing strategy. Consider competitor pricing, production costs, and target market preferences to set optimal prices. We've covered a lot. Remember, a well-planned and executed business strategy is key to success. The bottled water business in Africa presents exciting opportunities. By conducting thorough research, creating a solid plan, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can build a brand that quenches Africa's thirst and brings you long-term success. Consider the environmental impact of your business. Explore options for using recycled plastic bottles or implementing a bottle deposit system to promote sustainability. This is a general roadmap. Adapt it to your specific circumstances. Conduct in-depth research on regulations, and refine your plan based on your target market and budget. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your dream of a thriving mineral water business into a reality. Our boss, Mr. Jami, will also be able to help you start this water factory in your hometown. We have built 2 water factory in Africa, and we can easily help. Contact us. Check our number on this video description. If you liked this video, please subscribe, click the notification bell, share, and comment.